Hi friends, I'm Professor Rushili Zadav. Today we discuss on chemical kinetics. In chemical kinetics, previous we study zeroth order reaction, first order reaction, third order reaction, rate of reaction, molecularity, order of reaction. This type all things you are studied previously. Now we discuss the reaction dynamics and collision theory, transition state theory. This type theory we can discuss. Reaction dynamics means how reaction is carried out and what purpose of this reaction. These topics are involved in reaction dynamics. Firstly, we study the collision theory. What is meant by collision? Collision means the accidentally attack on each other. Sometimes it's a spontaneous attack, sometimes it's non-spontaneous attack. Collision theory is used to predict the rates of chemical reaction, particularly for gases. Chemical kinetics. In chemical kinetics, collision theory is mostly preferred to the gaseous reaction. The collision theory is based on the assumption that for reaction to occurs, it is necessary for reacting species, that means atoms or molecules, to come together or collides with one another. Now collision means when two or more objects collides or run into the each other, that means collide to each other. Collision theory is only some collision between particles cause chemical changes. That means effective collision must have enough energy to break pre-existing bond and to form a new bond. In collision theory, in collision moment, first old bond is break and new bond is formed in this collision theory. In collision theory also rate of reaction, factors of affecting collision, some other factors are affect the collision theory. Now in collision, rate of reaction also determined. That means reaction rate or speed is defined as how fast or how slow a reaction take place. That means collision fast, the fast reaction, that means fast moving particles. Collision is slow, that means concentration of solution is slow, then moving of particles is slowing. This is the determine the rate of reaction, that means fast reaction or slow reaction. Now factors affecting collision also reaction rates, that means reaction rates affect, that means collision also affect. First factors is affecting collision, that means surface area of solid reactant, that means how surface is big, how particles are collide to each, that means surface area of particles is high, then collision is high. Surface area of particles is low, that means collision is slow and small. Now we see in these images. Second part is the concentration of reactant. Concentration of reactant is amount of reactant, that means how many amount present in solution solvent. This is the concentration of reactant. You see the image is low concentration, it shows the low collision, that means few collision, and high concentration, it shows the more collision, that means concentration high, concentration low, collision low. A simple thing. Now third, so temperature affect the collision and also affect the rate of reaction. As the temperature increase, rate of reaction increase, that means collision is most energetic, and temperature is low, that means cool temperature, the collision is less energetic, that means rate of reaction is less. Now see in these images. Now next, second theory you study, first theory you study collision theory, and second theory is the transition state theory. According to the transition state theory, between the state where molecular react and the state where molecular product, molecular reactant and state of the molecular product, there is a state known as transition state. That means the transition state is a middle state between reactant and product. In transition state, the reactants are combined in a species called the activated complex. That means transition state, reactants are combined to the other species is called activated complex. The transition state theory suggests that there are the three major factors affect determine where a reaction will occur. In transition state, three main factors are affect the transition state. That means reaction rate. First factor is the concentration of activated complex. The rate of reaction is depends on a concentration, and this concentration is a activated complex. Now second is a rate at which the activated complex break apart. Then another part is this nucleophile. That means this activated complex is how fast depart and how fast break this bond. It depends on this factor. These factors affect the rate of reaction. Now third is whether it is breaks apart to reform the reactant, or whether it is break apart to form a new complex, the products. That means where this transition state complex, that means this activated complex break their bonds and which reform the reactant bond and form a new product bond. These three factors affect the rate of reaction, and this suggests by the transition state theory. Now we see the example of biomolecular reaction between hydroxide and bromomethane. Firstly, you see the bromomethane, and this is nucleophile, this is hydroxide. You see in transition state, in this reactant is bromomethane. In transition state, you see hydroxyl partially attack on carbon and bromine also partially attached to the carbon. This is a transition state, this is activated complex state. That means in this carbon has a 5 valency. This is impossible, but this is activated complex. Transition state, this is called transition state. This state is different from product and reactant. Now another, this bromide bond break, products bond form. That means transition state bond break, product bond form, then new products is formed and their configuration change. Methanol and bromide products are formed. Now this example of reaction shows above reactant hydroxide and bromomethane forming the product methanol and bromide. First part of the image show the reactant, the second part of the image show the transition state in which the activated complex is formed with the rearranged molecule and different bond. Now this first, second and third part. Now the activated complex is clearly different than the reactant or the product. That means this activated complex is different from each other, both. Now next, a successful collision and reactant have the clearly occurs because in the third part of the image product methanol and bromide are formed that are the different than the reactant, that means hydroxyl and bromomethane. You see the clearly see the picture of this. This is reactant difference and product difference. Reactant bromomethane and products are methanol. This is the transition state theory. The two theories we study, collision theory and transition theory. Thank you.